Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a fanny pack with no visible seams in the lining and no bias tape. The link to get the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need a fabric of your choice for the outside. I'm using a faux fur, a lightweight fabric for the lining, a 25mm large 140cm long strap, a 25mm wide slider buckle, a 25mm wide side release buckle, a 40cm long zipper. Print and cut the pattern pieces. Pin the pattern pieces on the fabric and the lining as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the pieces. Before removing the pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern and percent marking to the fabric pieces. Mark the centers of the zipper. Take the top piece of the bag and its lining. Place one side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining, right sides together, respecting the middles. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Take the front bag piece with its lining and the zipper. Place the second side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining, right sides together, matching the middles. Stitch 1 cm from the edge. Clip the corners and rounded edges of the top of the bag. Fold the pieces right side out and top stitch 5mm from the edge. Place the ends of the bag between the side flaps and their linings, right sides together, outer fabric on outer fabric and lining on lining. Stitch the outer fabric to the outer fabric and the lining to the lining 1 cm from the edge without stitching the zipper. Stitch the outer fabric with the zipper and the lining 1 cm from the edge. Cut the strap into two pieces. one 100 cm long and one 40 cm long. Pass the end of the 40 cm long strap through the second side of the side release buckle, then fold the strap in half. Mark the middles of the bag ends. Place the ends of the 40 cm strap over one end of the bag, right sides together, outer fabric only, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Pass the end of the 100 cm long strap through the sliding buckle and then through one side of the side release buckle. Then pass the strap through the sliding buckle a second time, this time from the bottom. Fold the strap back about 2 cm and stitch. Place the end of the 100 cm long strap on the second end of the bag, right sides together, outer fabric only, and stitch 5 mm from the edge. Open the zipper of the bag. Place the back of the bag's outer fabric on the front, right sides together, respecting the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge, making sure not to stitch the lining. Clip the corners and the curves of the bag. Place the lining of the back of the bag on the front, right sides together, respecting the markings. Stitch all around 1 cm from the edge, leaving a 12 cm opening to turn the bag inside out. Clip the corners and the curves of the bag. Hand or machine stitch the lining opening 2 mm from the edge. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments or to message me on my social media. All of the links are in the description under the video.